Welcome to my vlog. This is my husband. He just finished to work.
Freezing
And very cold outside. It's too windy.
I should go buy a lotto.
Yes, and then now we are going. I just finished my dialysis and I pick up my husband straight here. And this is the place that we're going, and it's too windy. They just the sun is only come out, and 30 minutes ago. Here, guys, is my husband said it's the coldest weather.
Well, not just because of the wind.
Because of the wind, it's too
The
cold.
temperature's okay, but the wind is just killing me.
The wind is very, very cold. Yeah. See, as you can hear, the wind. You can hear that our car is
Coming this way. The wind.
coming this way, blowing the wind
Right into our face. It's
left
coming.
and right. So we live this. This is the housing of the army. Yeah, hello guys. This is the outside housing army. All that's a army housing. So we are here in Texas. And that also, that's housing army.
Is that Fort Hood, Texas, USA, Killeen, Texas?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's our housing army. We live here for how many years, honey?
1.
Huh?
In the housing 1 year.
No, I mean we lived there before,
Oh.
but I mean here in Texas. We live here almost 20 years, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, 20 years, almost 19 years. 19 years.
2023. 2003.
Yeah, but we lived there so 19 years, almost
We got
19
here
years.
in like April or May of 2003.
Yeah, we arrived here April.
Just before Rosie's first birthday.
Yep. So itong mga ano namin daw, ito Inday. Yan, pauwi na kami. So that's Mexican restaurant or store. So it's on the way home. So I drove my car from dialysis to my husband's place where he work. Post office.
We finished right almost the same time, perfect.
So, don't forget to subscribe. Jani, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Jane
like,
Montejo.
and share. Jane Montejo blog.
Thank you for watching. So it's been a long time we live in this place. So far, we have no plan to transfer another place. Maybe our retirement home is in Philippines. God willing.
It'll happen.
When I got transplants and my husband that maybe timing too
No.
and retired.
It's got to be at a certain time.
Huh?
It's got to be at a certain time.
Yeah, at a certain time because certain times. Yeah, this is the place going there.
Tonight I'll run the water inside.
So ito mga dyan, I used to fishing there. They have a small lake over there, like pond. We see this is the housing. I mean the house of
Like a neighborhood.
neighborhood.
Does Mel live in there?
Yeah. It's too windy.
You can tell by the flags. Now the wind is coming from behind us. The wind is behind us. Oh, wait.
This is a fire
no, the wind is
station.
coming from this direction. Like this. It's into our face.
They have a lot of people get sick in here. Place.
The lady supervisor, our new one, she said, her husband, everybody took
This is
all the
a
kids.
dollar store over there. General Dollar. Dollar General. So here. Rent. What the? Cloud rent. What's that mean? Cloud.
Huh?
So here my dime.
For rent.
So this is the barn, big red bronze. If you want to put storage your stuff, we have storage space over here.
And if you don't pay, they sell it.
If you don't pay your stuff or
Your rental.
rental, then they sold your stuff. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Sani, bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Meet my husband.